Another thing you can do at home is compost your waste or create a worm bin. I have recycled materials that I have all closed up and weighted down with bricks here. We have bears in the area. They were getting into my worms all the time. These cinder blocks on top managed to keep them at bay. So this worm bin is made all of recycled materials. These came from a place locally here in Humboldt called the Beneficial Living Center. It's old hydroponic reservoirs and trays, an old piece of a carport that got collapsed in the snow this year. So I just take all of those things and repurpose them in any way I can. You can see we've got worms hanging out all the way up here on top. We're gonna dig right in. You might see some rotten food and kitchen waste in here, but what you're gonna see is a lot of worms. Again, these worms are doing all the work of keeping that carbon captured in the soil. They're converting all of the nutrients in the food into nutrients in the soil through their castings. This is really going to help prevent all of this stuff from going into a landfill and releasing methane, contributing to climate change. So anything we can do, however small, that we can contribute to saving the planet through our own gardening practices, it's just a no-brainer.